Japandi kitchen design. Blending Japanese and Scandinavian styles. Dear friends, a Japandi kitchen is a decor style that merges Japanese and Scandinavian kitchen decor styles. It is iconic because it pairs the best aspects of their core principles, Wabi Sabi and Hygge. The Wabi Sabi, Japanese, principle encourages design ideas that are functional and calm without prioritizing perfection. Meanwhile, Hygge, Scandinavian, focuses on minimalism, functionality, and has a more modern feel. Therefore, when both ideas are well merged, they create a lovely balance for anyone that may find Japanese kitchens too traditional or Scandinavian kitchens too minimalist. Benefits of Japandi kitchen design. Installing a Japandi-style kitchen design could improve your home and lifestyle as it brings functionality and charm. Scandinavian kitchen designs are renowned for their high-end functionality. Everything from their layouts, use of light, and high-utility kitchen cabinets seeks to make the space easy to use and free of clutter. However, this approach can sometimes make Scandi kitchens look almost clinical. So, pairing such functionality with the more homely accents of Japanese kitchen design creates a Japandi kitchen that is efficient yet very welcoming. Distinct decor and creative freedom. Blending two distinct types of kitchen decor, as is the case with the Japandi design, creates a very unique look. More so because no two designers or brands may implement this kitchen style in the same way. You could use Japanese-themed furniture, for example, to balance out the clean lines of Scandinavian decor. Alternatively, you could introduce color by adding houseplants instead of colored backsplashes. The options are simply endless. Eco-friendly design. Japandi kitchen design embraces the use of sustainable materials like bamboo, which is quite common in Japanese decor. This is great for the environment but also offers you great value for money because bamboo is durable and makes very sturdy furniture. Flexibility. The minimalist decor details of a Japandi-style kitchen leave lots of room for future changes or improvements. You can always play around with the color palette, introduce more texture, or update the cabinets after a while to keep things fresh. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.